Here is a really cool gift idea that you can 3D print at the Create Space in the Central Branch of Kingston Frontenac Public Library. All you'll need is an image and some information that I'm going to share with you today on how to create a lithophane. Lithophanes are essentially embossed photos that are generated by a 3D printer. The print results don't show much at first, but when you shine some light through one, you'll be amazed by the details. The way that it works is that light passes through the thin parts of the print while being blocked by the thick parts. This is why we recommend using white PLA filament here on our Prusa printer in the Create Space. Here's a quick guide to making a lithophane. Go to 3dp.rock/lithophane and click on the free software. First, we need to import our image. I've already saved a black and white image. Make sure you choose something that's got a high resolution and with high contrast, so light and dark spots. For example, a polar bear in a snowstorm will not show up very well. So we'll upload that image, and as you can see, it is now in the viewer. So we want to click on Settings, Model Settings. Here you can adjust the size, thickness, and the border, but this is optional, so I'm going to leave it as it is for today. We need to click on Image Settings to make sure that this is toggled onto a positive image. And that's it. Once we've done that, we're going to click Refresh to apply our changes. If you wanted to do something on a lithophane in a different shape, you could, and you can also adjust the size. I'm happy with this, so I'm going to click Download. This will give you an STL file that will work with most 3D printers. And here at KFPL, this will work with our Prusa printer. Now that you have your STL file saved on the SD card, the next step is to edit this file by using the free software Prusa Slicer. This can be found on the Mac computer as well as the Windows computer in the Create Space. From here, you're going to click File, Import, STL, and I have that saved, like I said, on the SD card. So when I double click that file, it should automatically insert that onto the grid. So for today, we're just going to do a very basic overview of how to edit this file so that it's ready to go into the printer and print. The most important settings that need to be changed in order for the lithophane to print are the millimeters. We want to have that at the 0.05 millimeter ultra detail, and the infill, which means how much density and how much plastic is used to print. We want that at 100%. And I'm going to change the dimensions to make this a little bit smaller. And after that, we click Slice Now. And Slice Now basically means editing out any flaws that could potentially cause the print to fail. So once we've done that, we can export to G-code. And G-code is the file that we would like to save on our SD card. And voila, you have the G-code file saved. Now you can remove the SD card from the computer and insert it into the 3D printer. For a copy of the written step-by-step instructions, please check out the description box below. I hope you find this video helpful. Happy printing!